Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to run your C++ program using Vscode on your MacBook. If you want to support me grow and make more videos, you can subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and anyone you like. Now, you'll need G++ compiler and Vscode installed on your computer. Access the Spotlight search by pressing Command and space. Type terminal, hit enter, type G++ to install G++ compiler. Now you'll see an error message if you already have it installed. Hit installed on the pop-up if you don't have it installed. You can read the agreement and agree to it in order to install the G++ compiler. Confirm the installation by typing clang /version. To install Vscode, open up web browser. Type the following address in the address bar. Download the Mac version. Now extract the app from the zip file and move it to application folder. Go to application folder and open it. On welcome window, click new file. Go to file and click save as and save it with CPP extension somewhere you'd like. Now Vscode will automatically suggest an extension for the file we created. If it didn't, go to the extension finder on the left corner, type C++. Install one from the Microsoft. To set up the Vscode for C++, we'll need another extension. Go back to the search box and type Code Runner. Install one from Junhan. I hope I pronounced that right. Now I have written this code on the file we created. We'll need to save the file by pressing Command S, or by going to the file and clicking save on the top left corner. Now go to the top right corner in the application window and press the triangle to test the setup. The output of the program has been displayed. The task has been accomplished. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and take care.